Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to simply fix the GTA 5 crash while playing. So let's start. Now firstly, make sure you have at least 4 GB of VRAM in your graphics card, as it may be the issue you're facing, so take that into consideration. For the first step, go to Windows search bar and type in Device Manager. Now once this tab pop up, look for display adapters, open this side arrow. After that, go to your graphics card, which is NVIDIA or AMD, wherever you have. Don't select the integrated one. After that, right click and select Update Driver. Now select Search automatically for drivers and then select close. It is optional to do the same thing for the processors, just select it and do the same thing, select update and then search and close once again. After that, close everything. Now go to the Windows taskbar, right click and then select Task Manager. When it pop-ups, go to the search and type in the launcher you have the game on, either Epic Games or Steam or anyone. If you find it running in the background, make sure to terminate the process, right click and then select End Task. After that, go to the search and type in NVIDIA app. If it for some reason not showing in the search, make sure to download and set it up from the browser. After that, make sure to create an account and log in with the right credentials. Then go to the drivers on the left menu. After that, you can see this install button in the right, select it. Now select either express or custom installation and click on continue to initiate the installation process in order to update your driver. Now for the last step, open your launcher. After that, go to your game library in the left menu and look for Grand Theft Auto. You will find it right here, the enhanced or the premium edition. You can see these 3 dots next to the name. You just need to select it. After that, you can see this manage option you can select. So click on manage. This tab will pop up. You can see in the top the verify files element. Now in the right, click on verify button. This will start by verifying the internal game data and will fix any corrupted or missing file will be restored as soon as possible. You just need to wait for the process to finish and now you can safely launch the game. If it's still not working, just need to go to this Windows icon and then restart your computer. That's it. If you found it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and see you on the next one.